13 roads have been buried by floodwaters and closed in Yazoo County. This afternoon, the Emergency Management Agency warned Holly Bluff homeowners that their houses could be the next thing underwater.
From here all the way up to the West Levee, which is here, is underwater.
It's swamping the state from north to south, washing out homes and burying interstate highways. This is Holly Bluff Satarsha Road in Yazoo County. Emergency managers say in a few days, most of the land will be underwater.
This is our first experience with this, and I'm afraid of water. I thought I was going to have to call Noah and ask him to come and get me.
As floodwaters continue to rise, Yazoo County emergency management officials are meeting with concerned homeowners.
Getting information, kind of making sure everybody understands what's going on and how to react, and if they have trouble, who to contact, and how to be safe about it.
Sunday's meeting in Holly Bluff drew a crowd of over 50.
A lot of them were just concerned about where the water levels are going to come and if they're going to need to go, where they can go if something happens.
If needed, EMA officials say the Red Cross will open a shelter on Lamar Street in Yazoo City. Some homeowners are hoping they won't need it, though. Others are already clearing out their homes just in case.
Pulling out some
Car
things.
packed. Big black garbage bags of hats.
We decided we better just be a little ahead of the game in case, and we can come back later. We got friends that's got a trailer and they're ready for us to use it. So.
Yazoo County EMA officials will be back in Holly Bluff next Sunday to give homeowners an update on those water levels. Jennifer Lott, 16 WAPT News.